Okay. Hi guys, good day and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ilora Ella, your favorite baby girl. And today, I know I said I was never ever going to go on a hike today. But apparently, I've joined a different group that is not my favorite hiking group, and today we're going on a picnic. It's not a hike, so don't worry. I know the last time I was crying, I was screaming. I said I was never ever going to go on a hike. But today, we're just going on a friendly picnic. Don't mind my I didn't get the memo. I thought we were going on a hike. That's why I'm all dressed like this. I'm not supposed to dress like this for a picnic. But whatever. You know the drill. If this is your first time coming to this channel, make sure you don't make it your last by clicking the subscribe button down below. Turn on your post notification bell, darling. Turn it on now. Do it right now. And for the old-time subscribers, thank you. You guys are the real MVP. Thank you so much for staying put. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate and I love you guys. So today, your girl is going to Ezeagu Waterfall. Yes, it is a very popular waterfall in Enugu, and I wonder why I've not been there. But today we are going, so I'm going to show you guys. So stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. If you want to see this video, if you want to see this picnic, if you want to see the bomb and vibe that we're coming with, stay tuned, darling. So let's get to it. Nice see your face. I hope you don't mind. I'm a YouTuber. Okay. So a painter. So introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
Okay, yeah.
Introduce yourself now. Please. Introduce. Your name is Kiss. Kiss.
No.
Not Kiss now.
Kings.
Yeah, how are you, Kings?
This man, you're so serious. But please, you paint my face as well. What are you doing? How are you bringing your lips close? This man, you flex. Hey, you want to bring that from me? I love. Okay, I'm liking this face paint, and this is everybody. I think Kings did this whole African girl vibe thingy on me, and I like it. Gang. I think we're good to go. Okay, and this is where the motor stops. Now we drag down. I was thinking we still have like a long waka down, but see, we are here already. Okay. Okay. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. And it's so neat. Like, how is this so neat? I think some parts is hot, some parts is warm. So I heard. Well done, sir. I am good, thank you. If I fall down here, because I'm standing on this rock and I don't want to fall. I'm kind of scared, but I cannot fall. I don't used to hear words. I was trying to get the whole water going down there. That's in cliff. It's not even cliff. I don't know what it's called. I was trying to get a video for you on and pictures, and then I cut myself and I'm bleeding. Life of a YouTuber, you all. But I'm fine. It's not that deep. It's just a scratch. But blood is coming out. And it's giving me the ick. But I'll be fine. I'm good, yo. This is a fixed pipe, bro. Honestly, I'm fine. Well, you can see the rest of the team down there. They're setting up. I think we're going to play some sort of volleyball inside the river. Then the rest of so they can see me outside.
I'm sweating now.
Baby girls. Yes, it's a video, so look your best. Come on. You're not dancing to do. I'm in San Francisco. Hey. Pablo, why are you naked? Hey, Pablo, you're so cute. Go and wear your clothes, you're shirtless. And be at the back. Excuse me, sir. What are you doing?
I'm chilling in Waterfalls.
Yeah. And you guys see them, they're so tiny. Oh my God. Can you see that one? Oh my God, that's such a village girl. My valve, my thing is not working. My valve is not working.
Nobody can feel it.
So this water there is the hot and cold section, and we're currently at the hot section. See, you carry your leg and come and put here, it's no longer warm. Here is warm. Oh my god, I had like serious sunburn from the last hike I did. Once my
Water.
eh?
Water.
What?
From where?
From the last hike. We went on a hike. Guy, we are heading home, and it has been a very rocky ride. And my hair is everywhere. Pablo keeps splashing water all over my hair, and now you know natural hair and water don't go hand in hand. But regardless, my skin is still glowing. You can't tell me nothing.
Come on, show my glory.
You can't tell me. Show yourself. Show yourself.
Yeah. What's going on here?
Nothing is going on here actually.
What am I looking at?
You're looking at my it's not easy. Hello. Come on, man. We are going up. Actually, it's easier coming down than going up. You already know this. I am tired. I have not even started and I'm panting. Hey, I need to exercise often. So after all this swimming, we now exercise. This is not fair. We will not go home hot.
Man's not hot.
Man is definitely hot. Man is definitely hot. Whew. Don't play with me. Am I blinding your eyes? Because I can't even. What skin? Look at that. Oh god, I am too vain.